What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. So I've got another little quick install video today. Nothing major, it's a quick install, but I do want to do a walk around of the bike, kind of tell y'all why I've been making some of the changes. So I've made quite a few changes to the bike. The bike is a 21 Road Glide special, and what I've done to it over the past 6 weeks or so is, for one, I've installed the ST front fender. Ordered that from Harley. It came in, put it on there. It actually looks really good on the bike. You can actually clean the wheel a little bit easier, so done that. I've installed the SUREWO FabWorks engine guard on here. It looks really good on the bike. I like the way it fits. I like the style. I will tell you, they done a poor job in lining this up where it bolts on. As you can see, I had to modify the holes in this. I don't know if everything tweaked while it was being welded and pulled, and they didn't have it jigged out right. So I've had to put some bigger washers on that, so I am disappointed in that, but overall I think it looks good on the bike. I went with the SUREWO FabWorks bag guards on here and done that. I have changed up and put the shorter standard bags on it, or ST bags, whatever you want to call them. The biggest thing I've done is the bars. So I went with the Thrashing 9-inch risers, 9.5-inch risers. The high bend bars, I've used their clamps on right here. I am running their bag, that's the same one I had on my Lowrider ST. I did use their top triple tree. I rerouted everything. It turned out really good. It makes the bike look really good on there, so I like that. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm changing this out. So I did have the 12-inch Pro, and what I went with is, again, another Clockworks, but I went with the what I went with is the 9.5-inch black. So I will get this one off of there. It's only 4 little bolts, guys, so it won't take real long, but I'll pull it off real quick, and I'll show y'all a quick install how this goes, and then I'll let you see what the bike looks like. I did open the box, but I have not unwrapped it, so I don't know what it actually looks like on the bike, but let's get set up and we'll go ahead and do it. So this is a easy install. Loosen that screw, and I'm gonna take this one all the way out. These do have a little washer, as you can see, so make sure you keep that washer. Loosen this one up, and I'm gonna take this one out. This should just slide off. So as you can tell, this is still wrapped up, so I'm gonna cut that tape. Pull that off. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to I let that out enough. Slide that down there. Slide that down. Make sure to peel this up just a hair. Guys, this is real time, so if y'all see, this is a very, very, very easy little install. So what I want to do is not tighten that all the way down yet. I'm going to make sure I peel this up just a hair. This thing is significantly thicker than the stock. Make sure I loosen this up. The reason I'm going to tighten the edges up first is because I want it to pull in. These don't need to be torqued down really hard and all. You just want it to be good and snug. Alright. We'll pull that off. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Now this is a black one. It's all black. You cannot see through that. So you cannot see through that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna sit on the bike and see what I think. All right. So you cannot see through this. So I actually was going to order the dark smoke one, and I actually ended up ordering the black one. So I don't know exactly how I feel about not being able to see through it. I know you don't want to look through it, but we'll see. What I did like about having the dark smoke is I kind of could see through it a little bit and kind of look down, but I don't know if that's going to mean anything or make a difference. But right now what I'm going to do is go ahead and slide my helmet on, my gloves, and go take this thing for a spin and see what I think. I'll bring y'all along for the ride. Hey everyone, so I know I said I was going to bring y'all along for the ride to review this Klockworks 9.5 inch windshield that I have. Unfortunately, my SD card messed up and I lost that footage. So anyway, I do want to go ahead and tell you what I think about this thing. So as you can see, the bike's a little bit dirty, but I have put probably 150 miles or so on it. And with that, here's kind of a side view of it. With that, I can tell you it does a really good job. I don't get any buffeting or anything like that. I'm 6'1", and the bike's still got to be cleaned up a little bit, but it does fit up and deflect the wind quite well, I should say. So, you know, me being a little bit taller guy, 6'1", the wind does come up and it goes right just above my head right there, the way I sit on the bike. Now, with saying that, I've got a couple different seats that I run, so the height difference on me is a little bit, but I haven't noticed anything with either seat. So currently have on the Saddleman road sofa right there. I put that on there when my wife wants to ride with me, because y'all can see it's got a little bit bigger seating area right there, so it's more comfortable for her, so I run this. And when I'm not, I'm running the Saddleman SDC. The SDC, I think, sits me up just a hair, at least I feel like it does sit me up just a hair more, but no problems with either one. So anyway, if you guys are out there and you think this might be a good one for you, I would go out and try it. I've got the stock one I've tried. I've run the, was it 12-inch Touring Pro, and then this is the 9-inch or 9.5-inch Klock Sport Flare, I think is what it's called. But does a really good job, no buffeting. I feel like I could ride for a very long time with this. I have run this up to about roughly 85 miles an hour. No buffeting whatsoever. It does really well. So anyway, I hope that helps you guys out, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thanks.